My name is Josh Bossin, and I'm faculty in outdoor education at Sterling College. So my role in the outdoor education department is to teach the land sport field courses like rock climbing and ice climbing and backpacking courses, as well as some of the more business and administrative courses like outdoor program administration and some of the theory courses like controversial issues in outdoor education. One of the advantages of our very northern rural setting is the opportunity to participate in a wide range of recreation types, namely ice climbing. Over the course of a student's 4 years here, he'll spend a minimum of 115 days in the field, outside practicing leadership skills, risk management, group dynamics, things like that, as well as a pretty strong focus in education and learning theory so that our teachers and educators kind of go on to know how to approach every student and how they learn best. In the Introduction to Ice Climbing class, which we often go to Smuggler's Notch for, students learn not only the technical skills of climbing, belaying, different knots, how to stay warm in really cold environments, but they'll also get a chance to learn a lot more about communication and trust. There's nothing more reliant on trust than being 50 feet up in the air and having somebody else holding your life on the line. So students learn a lot about trust, but they also learn a lot about adversity. Climbing is really hard, especially when it's really cold. And so they'll learn a lot about what they think they're able to do versus what they really can do. A lot of the things we do are equipment intensive. And one of the biggest barriers in accessibility for entry into outdoor activities is the cost of the equipment. Our gear room provides not only all the equipment we need for taking classes out and all the group gear and climbing equipment and canoeing equipment, but also everything you see here is available for students to check out on their own time, because not only do we want them to participate in classes, but we want them to go and have their own experiences and practice without the financial burden. Students in the ice climbing and really anywhere in the outdoor education major can expect to come away with not only the technical skills, but more resiliency and grit.